مرحبا الصف الأول، كيف حالكم؟ اليوم الثلاثاء 19/5/2020. Thank you very much for all the lovely tongue twisters you have gargled in on Seesaw. In the gargling class with Mr. Short, you have learned غ as in غزال, غ as in غطاء, غ as in غراب. The stars of the Arabic class who read and wrote glue in Arabic صمغ, صمغ. Jump up and pick your stars. You did amazing job. Keep on shining, my lovely stars. Mr. Long is telling me that he is politely asked Mr. Short to be away today because it's his turn with the gargling sound. And at the end of this class, you will finish learning all the Arabic sounds. After Eid break, inshallah, we will start to use the knowledge of sounds to read an Arabic storybook. But for now, let's listen for Mr. Long's story with the gargling sound.
حرف الغين غا غابة غو يغوص غي مغيب
Our Arabic lesson overview for today is: at the end of this class, we expect you, our lovely students, to be able to say the غ sound with long vowels. The activity, time tongue twister, and the evidence, a video on Seesaw. Ready to say our long vowels together? The first long vowel sound is a. Next, e, and last, ooh, ooh. Well done. أحسنتم. It's time to add Mr. Long to our gargling sound. غ, غ, مع. The sound is After I chop the end and straight the bottom, don't forget the dot. I will hit a. The sound is غ, غ. Well done. أحسنتم. Next, غ مع E. The sound is chop the end, straight the bottom, hit the next sound. The sound is غي, غي. Well done. أحسنتم. And lastly, غ مع U. The sound is I can hear you longer U sound. غو, غو. Well done. أحسنتم. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and add Mr. Long to your gargling sound. It's time to read with Jack. I can read the غ sound in words. Jungle in Arabic is غ ب. The word is غابة, غابة. Well done. أحسنتم. Small in Arabic is ص غي ر. My lovely students, the word is صغير, صغير. Well done. أحسنتم. Gorilla in Arabic is غو ر لا. My lovely students, the word is غوريلا, غوريلا. Keep it up إلى الأمام. It's a creative speaking time about Jack and the غ items. Our creative sentence today will focus on using in, في. In the forest, في الغابة. My creative sentence will start with في الغابة. I can see a small crow. So في الغابة غراب صغير. What can you see? Something big, كبير, and something else. I hide it. It's small, صغير. Can you let me hear you on seesaw saying your own sentence? It's fun time, activity time. On the chair, tongue twister for 15 seconds for today is غا غي غو غو غا غي غا غو غي. Pause the video, copy the tongue twister, and keep saying the sounds for 15 seconds. You are looking for more challenge? Under the chair tongue twister for 20 seconds, you need to switch between two sounds similar in shape but different in sound. The first one with a dot is gargling sound, غ, and the one without dot is a doggy sound, ع. So let's read the tongue twister together. غ, ع, غي, عي, غو, عو, ع, غ. Pause the video, copy the tongue twister, squeeze yourself under the chair, and keep switching between these two sounds for 20 seconds. Still looking for more challenging? Here you are. With on toy tongue twister for 30 seconds for today is غابة صغير غوريلا صغير غوريلا غابة. Pause the video, copy the words, and challenge yourself to say them without mistakes for 30 seconds, and show me yourselves on seesaw. It's optional. Join, read, and write with Jack for the stars of the Arabic class. Can you help Jack to read and write loaf of bread in Arabic? Share that on seesaw. And don't forget to enjoy playing the online game. The link is below the video. In the online game, you need to drag the letters into their correct position to unscramble the word on the top. Have fun! And finally, let's recap what we have learned for today. We were learning about the غ sound with long vowels, and we learned غ as in غابة, غي as in صغير, غو as in غوريلا. I hope you enjoyed your Arabic lesson for today. شكرا الصف الأول. مع السلامة.